Hi, it's Steve here. I have something a little bit different today. This is a Fichet cabinet lock. It's a lever lock. It has 5 levers and there's no false gates in any of the levers. But the spring is fairly strong on them. So it's easy to overset the levers, and when you go to set the next lever, the previous set lever tends to drop. So we need heavy enough tension to kind of counteract that. But other than that, it's not too bad. This is the key. You have the 5 cuts here, and this is the part that throws the bolt. So you just unlock it. This lock works well. It's nice and smooth. So just see if this is set properly. Should be okay. Okay, that's lever 5 set. That's 5 and 4 set now. 3 is binding hard. Okay, that's 3 set. Okay, that's 2 set. I think it's just lever 1 now. Take that over set. Okay, must have dropped something out of the gate somewhere. That was 2. First set lever 1 again. It's a tricky enough little lock to pick this. bit rusty at lever locks, though I haven't picked any in a while. And there it is. Tricky enough, even without any false gates. Get this out now. Not too bad. So I'll just open it up and show you the levers then. So that's it in its unlocked position. There is a little catch on the lever too, just to stop it from being thrown closed again. So you just have to lift the lever too, just to get it to lock again. It's the spring. Quite a strong spring, that's what half the difficulty was in it. There's plenty of play in the gates, but I think it's that because they're carved, it's easy to just go past them, especially with heavy tension. They just tend to just shoot past the gate. So let's get this out now. And that's that little hook. It's only on one lever. So yeah, nothing too fancy, but still, for some reason, actually, this I don't know if you can see it there, but this it's like a knife edge. This lever has. Don't know why that is. Just it's the bolt. So yeah, I think that's it. Interesting enough lock. Nice little lock to pick, and it's nice to pick a lever lock again. So thanks for watching. Bye.